too bad. Does it light?
You got no lights on this thing, man.
What do you need lights for?
How's it going, Jake? Nice to meet you, man.
How you doing?
Long time fan. How's it going, boys?
James.
Fucking Jake, holy man.
A long time since I've seen you. You remember the white candy van?
The candy van burnout.
Oh, he'll have mine.
Oh, I'll have one, but I've already got one.
Oh, my God.
There, one for the road or what?
Sure.
Fuck, we got a small.
Well, yeah, we just got this beauty for free at the Motorplex there in Grand Bend, so.
Scores.
Not fucking right. It's been about 6 years since I was last here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Who did the burnout?
Does this one light?
Oh, it's got the stock tune on it still. It's a
Oh.
22.
Told him we gotta
so-
try to do a trailer burnout.
I ain't got no trailer brakes to hold the truck back though, so.
What do you got? Yeah, wheel chocks or anything, bud? Fucking toss the chocks under there, let it eat.
Let's chain it to a f***ing loader.
This place looks a lot different since the old days with the jumps and the dirt track and.
Right?
Oh my, that old dirt track wheels, those are fucking
That was
hilarious,
sick.
man.
By the old Charger.
Yeah, like if you want something to rip through the field with, that's how much for that thing? I got 20
He needs fucking parts, like rear head in case that's
$1,000.
$1,000? Does
That's
it
a-
run and drive?
Yep.
Really?
Maybe I get in it, you hand him the
Just
cash, and I fall.
Reeks.
It reeks the whole way out.
Oh.
She'll
You
do
guys
a-
probably won't even
She'll do a
notice.
one wheel on the way out though, for sure.
Yeah.
Why even have to weld the rear end before we leave off?
Fuck, the rear wing don't move anymore. Those are supposed to be on springs. What's the story behind this greasy bird?
Fucking mint unit.
Fuck, it is mint, bud. Comes with the air freshener too.
You'll need it.
Need 1,000 of them. You know how many K's are on it?
Oh, I need some
All of them?
Arsenal one though. Gosh.
All of them?
Yeah.
But roughly though, like.
Oh, I don't know. Just turn the key. Look at it.
Oh, she's not bad.
Looks like somebody got locked out of it at some point.
Looking bigger.
Yeah. For the old how you doing?
All the how you doing?
Oh, fire's great up in here, buddy.
You got the GoPro going right now for YouTube or what?
Okay.
Fucking right.
Stereo.
Cheers.
The fucking old days. Pop the hood on this jam here. We're trying to make a deal because I need a donut.
See, I tried earlier
Oh, fuck.
by myself, but I wasn't able to.
Here's the thing.
On the left side there.
You got it. You got it.
Give her. Give her the beans.
Yeah, fucking heads and all that shit on it.
Holy.
Body's getting a little rough and need a full chassis. What's the chance we come here and these guys charge you?
I have a pug mobile by the end of the day.
Only 146 though.
146 Ks?
Yeah.
Well, what's up?
Fuck yeah. Well, if I get the flatbed like tomorrow or something.
Yeah, fuck.
Drive it. Drive it right now.
You want that trailer from Grand Bend or no?
Fucking
They still got like 4 of them
No,
sitting
yeah.
there. if
Yeah.
you guys want 'em.
boys, just some storage
Oh.
trailers out here. Fucking right.
We picked the nicest one out of them all, but you're saying $1,000, eh? Ownership or no?
I think it's in there.
Yeah,
You
if
want
you-
charger?
Uh-oh.
That thing's
Keep
No.
calling your name, man.
I see
honestly.
a USB stick in there.
Oh,
No.
Fuck. You might find some fuzzy
Fucking shove
porn
that
or-
right in your
Rogers.
computer.
That
Right
would be a
now.
fucking-
Fuck yeah. That thing will make a great rig.
wow, she's just a small
Got
buckle.
the handicap lift too. It looks like.
Yeah,
It
man.
did.
It did.
Yeah, it's not in there now.
Is there a corner store or anything around here? Grab some fucking smokes after or what? What's your best bet on that one?
Oh, which way you going?
Oh, we're going back towards 401-ish. We're not gonna hit 401, I don't think, but fucking. at least
Well,
go down.
401's this way.
You want it?
We're going that way.
Yeah, fuck, get some smokes on the way back.
Yes. You fucking cigarette fiend.
Oh,
Jesus. Fuck.
Been up all
Yeah,
day
I'm
just
sick.
munching them, boys. Holy fuck.
Ugh.
Had some fucking Kijiji dummies come down from Toronto this morning to buy a boat. Told buddy fucking as is where it and end of the driveway warranty. Told him fucking tires are dry rotted. So we're like, alright, fucking buddy gets in the boat. He's fucking chugging down the road, and we're like, run up to GB. We'll just follow this cocksucker. I got it on video. Not even 2 kilometers down the road. Tire at the wheels just fucking doing that.
Buddy's
wipes
calling
out
me.
on him.
Buddy's like,
Fucking
hey,
wipes
can you
on.
toss me like $200 back? I said, no, man. Buddy brings me a boat, acts like it's all good, just needs like batteries and a carb clean, whatever. Fucking thing, he's got no gearbox and prop on it. Interior's
It's like
all
we
pulled
both got
apart.
Kijiji at the same time. It was just like,
Fucking right.
fuck me, what do you do?
Then he sends me a second message and he's like, oh, I want at least like $600. No one can get me a tire for the night. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta go back to Toronto. I'm stranded here in Harrow. I didn't even respond. Fuck. Not my
Ghosted.
problem.
What do you mean you can't get a 15-inch trailer tire, buddy? They're
Right.
fucking same everywhere.
Right.
Right. Got them.
What's $600 for a $40 tire?
I know, right? Fuck.
Roadside repair cost on that, I wouldn't even want to fucking know.
Not at all. Fuck that.
Probably is $600 just for a tire.
Right.
Tire and the labor and after hours service. Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
But, fuck, man, don't litter.
I know you cracked
go ahead.
slap. You want this fucking aluminum or?
Oh, I don't know if we got a spot
fuck.
for
I
it.
was gonna say, I'll take it. I'll
If you
find,
don't mind, boss,
I'll
appreciate
find a
it,
spot, no
but-
worries.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah, we got a scrap bin.
Oh fuck, there you go.
Just fucking scrap pins right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bud's had a few too many already. Jeez, it's getting a little delirious.
There's what?
More shit in here.
Oh yeah, that van was filled with shit. Like that heater and all that stuff.
What the fuck is this from?
That's from across the road. That's like the floor of a car or trunk or I don't know what the fuck it is.
Some sort of strut tower apparatus there.
I'll get one for Snapchat.
Oh, fuck you.
No.
Appreciate it, buddy, big time.
Oh,
Nice meeting you. I fucking really appreciate it. Let's go.
You want to take a pic
Oh,
of us?
yes, definitely.
You want to stand in front of the Cummins, all of us? or
Oh,
what?
whatever you want, buddy. Fuck,
sure.
this is
Let's
your
go in
pick.
front of the Cummins.
Oh,
You got to get the yard though.
oh,
the
yeah.
yard
You got the
and
old
all of us.
LEDs going in there. Holy fuck.
Fucking rights.
I don't know.
You gotta get over there.
Oh,
so you
Get the
I was gonna say, I don't know if I should be in the center though. He's the mainstay.
He should be in the middle getting
Fucking
stovepipe
right.
and shit.
Grip a little burn right
Thanks,
here.
boys.
Right on.
Appreciate the fucking great content.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Well,
Appreciate it.
take care.
Smoke cigarettes.
Oh, we're gonna get some more. Right back at it.
Alright, I'll let you know about that charger.
Right on, light her up.
Oh, you have to, yeah.
Oh,
Try at least, yeah.
You won't. Cone turbo diesel. Oh, f yeah, just wreck it. Just wreck it for my movie. Careful. Smoke cigarettes. It's got the old Dutch Juman on the back there. Oh yeah. Leaving shrapnel. Nice.